Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. Today I'm doing a video showing the iOS 26 CarPlay on the Chigee Aio-5 for BMW. Now this is going to be coming out for general release in about a couple of months. At the moment, the only way to get it is if you're registered with the Apple App Developer website, and if you register there you can get it. Probably in a month or so you'll be able to get the normal user beta test as well, but for the moment it's just on App Developer. But I thought I'd run through some of the features because I think it might actually help a lot of people, especially with the 5-inch display. Right now, with iOS 26 and the new CarPlay, you can go into the settings here and you can change the appearance. Now, it's got ticked as always dark at the moment, so you can have it as automatic, so you can put it to automatic so that it changes according to day or night. So that's done. Then you can customize the icons. So you can have it as default, dark or clear. Now I'm going to change that to dark just to make them more visible. And I'll do that as always. Display. Smart display zoom, that's fine. Accessibility. Now I'm going to put that to bold text to make it more visible. And then you can do text size, and let's put it to 120%. So let's see what this all looks like on the display now. Now it's up to you. You may not like this. You can muck around with this and decide which suits you best. But for me already, I think that makes it a bit more visible for me, especially because it's the 5-inch display and not the 6 or the 7-inch. But I think there's quite a lot of new features that you can use. So you've got voice control as well. So with this, with voice control on, what you can do is, I've not got the comms set up, but it will go through the phone microphone at the moment. Swipe right. So you can do that and it will swipe the page for you rather than you have to do it manually. Or, I know of course you can always use the wonder wheel as well with the Aio-5, but it's quite a nice little feature to have. So, there's also the new widgets. So you can set these like a clock and other things, calendar, etc. Personally, I don't think this is of any value on the bike. I can't see where I would need that, but it is there. If it's something you'd fancy, I'd like to just look at a clock, then fair enough, it's there. But for me, I'd rather not worry about that. So you've got that. Plus you've got sound recognition, so you can switch this on and have it recognise sirens and car horns so that it will let you know if it detects them while you're riding. So just in case you're listening to music and stuff and you don't hear it. So I suppose that's what it would be handy for. But yeah, so let's do wallpaper. So you've got a choice of wallpapers. I think I'll put the red tinged one on. So that's it basically. So essentially you can set this up to suit yourself. So if you want the text to be bolder so you're easier to see, if your eyesight isn't as good, so you can change that to whatever suits you. But I think overall it's a positive thing if you've got the 5-inch Chigee or whichever unit that you have, to be honest. It will allow you to be more customize the screen so how you want it to look and what suits you best in terms of size of text, etc, etc. So as I said, this will be coming out in another couple of months, so you'll have the video there if you want to refer back to it to see if there's anything that you're missing or anything else you would like to do. Thanks.